like I've ever seen hell that big.
No, not even close. I'd say it's mostly ping pong ball size. A couple are almost baseball. That one right there was probably baseball size, yeah. It's the biggest hell I've ever seen.
No.
No.
So I'm trying to get home, but I'm actually go to the other house. Look at that one.
Which one? Don't go get it. I want to too, but it's...
Just go.
Oh, okay, it's right there. Yeah, go ahead and get that one.
So perfectly round.
Yeah. Yeah, did you see that one splash?
Huge. Pick that up again. That one
Yeah.
was like that big.
I know. Oh, look at that one. That's baseball for sure.
Now that is good working.
Yeah.
That's dangerous one that is.
That's another baseball. I wonder if we're gonna get any softball. Jesus, what was that? It's like grapefruit size. Jeez. God, okay, this is, yeah, baseball size tail. No, I don't see any way.
Wind's going too straight.
There's no rotation, there's no wind shear. Oh. This is where hell gets so big that it's not just a matter of worrying about dents on the car, it's a matter of worrying about windows shattering.
I didn't know that elephants go on.
Yeah, they can.
That was bigger. Let's get the crap out.
What's more crazy to me than there being no tornado is the fact that there's hardly any lightning. God, there's a piece that like hits the roof, but there's like a pedal on the roof, there's a splash on the roof. God, what was that? Oh. That, no, not quite. I was going to say that was softball, but... Yeah. Jeez.
Holy crap. Look at that one. It's good by the grass.
That looks like a baseball.
Not really.
Yeah. No, it's baseball size. There's a couple baseballs, like right there. Oh. Yeah. God. The truck is catching them. I just thought about that. Yeah. Look at that one. That's almost softball. Yeah, it's a good thing we didn't. Yeah. When you had said that, I had thought it was over, but no. Look at those poor guys. They have their cars out and stuff. Oh, there's the lightning. There.
Yeah.
Do you see that?
Yeah, I do.
It's not quite, but it's almost. Alright, I think it got a bit smaller again.
It's like super loud.
Yeah, the thunder?
Do you hear whatever does this direction? Yeah, you're right.
I don't hear it. I think you're just hearing thunder.
I guess so.
Like I said, I'm 90% confident that if a tornado was, it'd be there. And also, that's actually starting to look like a mesocyclone. I still don't see any rotation, though.
Yeah.
So I don't see it as possible. But there's almost a clear slot and everything.
Yeah.
That looks like the bottom of a supercell. I don't know. If it starts rotating, then we might could get a tornado warning, but I don't think so. I think the thing is that most of the ingredients are there, just from my understanding, there's no wind shear. And that makes it practically impossible. Oh, well, there's some rotation. Yeah, that's spinning.
Where?
Right there. Right where a tornado would touch down if it was.
I can't see it. I see it now, I guess.
That's, if a tornado were to form, it would be right where that lowering is.
That drops a lot lower than the rest of the clouds.
Yeah.
Well, if that happens, we need to be prepared to get the cloud.
Yeah, go ahead and get a mattress or something if you don't mind.
I don't think we'll have to, but my mattress is right there.
Yeah, it is.